happy Halloween. Everybody, welcome to day 2 or vlog number 2 of me and Leah's epic Big Island Hawaii adventure. And today, my friends, is Halloween, one of my favorite holidays, definitely top 3 for sure. And I've got a very fun day planned for us. So I will talk to you guys once we have reached our first destination. Perfect way to start some Halloween shenanigans, like a Bloody Mary. So I googled the history of Bloody Mary, like why is it named Bloody Mary, and it's actually debatable. Some people think it's named after a friend of the bartender that invented the Bloody Mary because it reminded them of a certain bar in Chicago and this girl named Mary. And then other people say it's named after Mary the First or whatever her name was. She killed like hundreds of Protestants in the name of Catholicism, and she went down in history as Bloody Mary. So kind of a dark story. I like it. Very Halloween-esque and very delicious. Guys, we have made it to our first major destination of the day. We are at Pu'uhonua, Now. I just call it Now for short. A lot of people call it the City of Refuge because that is what this place is and what it means. This place is very important to the Hawaiian people. It is a city of refuge. When people were kapu or taboo, they were sentenced to death. So they had places like this one where if you made it to a city of refuge, you could go there and work off your bad doings, and it basically saves your life. It's very cool. So there's a lot of history here, and I know this is like a silly, fun little Halloween video, so I really don't want to disrespect the culture here, but I wanted to come here because there are undoubtedly a lot of spirits here. And yes, there are some silly stories. There have been stories of the spirits around the park, you know, spirits that tried to make it in who didn't make it. But really, this place is very sacred, very, very special, and definitely a place that you should go to if you are on the Big Island because it's just really pretty. And there's tons of history here. So, I don't know. I came here because I knew there were lots of spirits here, but I don't mean any disrespect. This is all out of fun. And Leah's getting really into the history. We're doing a walking tour right now. I think we might grab a bite to eat, go back to our house, and get ready for Halloween night. Ooh. Okay, all right. All right, guys. You might be wondering, Holly, why are you in a Snow White dress? It's because this is Leah's costume. But when I saw it, I realized I had never worn a Disney princess dress ever, or any sort of princess dress. I grew up being Simba or Rose from Titanic, a hospital patient, etc., etc. I just tried on my costume for the first time and I don't really like it, but I think I'm gonna wear it anyway because I just really like Halloween. But I'm gonna start getting ready either way and just rock this really terrible costume that you guys will see momentarily. Okay guys, change of plans. Neither of us really like our costumes and we have a little bit of time to kill. So we are driving to the only costume shop on this side of the island, perhaps on the entire island, called Creative Costumes. It'll be fun because Halloween and costumes are fun. Okay guys, I cannot decide what I want to be, but this is my pirate costume. Without makeup, obviously. Well, I mean, I guess you can't tell from here. But, I don't know, it's honestly the green in the corset that's bothering me. Otherwise, I feel pretty fucking cool. I'm gonna try on my other costume and then I'll decide. This, I can't believe I've gone through all of this. Okay, costume number 2.
You could turn that skirt into something.
Whoa! Ow! Ow! That hurt! I'm a fairy, everyone! We had a lot of fun at the costume store. Basically, I'm gonna just go back to my original costume. I feel so much more like myself in it. I am not a fairy. Once I put my hair down and put the tights on, suddenly I was like totally okay with it. I only wasted $11, so that's not super upsetting that I got the wings for $1 because they were damaged, and then I bought the skirt for $10. So it's not the worst decision I've ever made. But I am no fairy, my friends. I'm a pirate! Arr! Just kidding. This is not a beauty channel. I never wear makeup in Hawaii. That was a huge reason why I decided to be a pirate, because I just felt like wearing really heavy makeup. But I'm also just nervous because I feel very rusty at this point. Here goes nothing. Whoa. Okay. 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 I am frightening. I'm a pirate. I'm a budget pirate, and we are ready to go. We need a shot with both of us. You might wonder, what is Leah gonna be? My parrot! We are going out on the town. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Okay.
Wait, they're playing invisible volleyball. Oh my god, they don't even have a ball! That's amazing! Oh my god, yes. There are so many pirates here. I feel so unoriginal. I walked in the bar and they said, "Oh, look, another pirate." Shame. But how many pirates have their own bird?
Good morning, everyone. We are just wrapping up our time here at the Earthy Modern Beach House. It has been such an amazing couple of days. I feel so grateful. Last night was a blast. Halloween here on the Big Island is not the most epic of holidays. We had fun, and now we're heading down the Kona coast. So stay tuned for the next episode of our grand Big Island Hawaii adventure. I have a lot planned over the next week or so. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Be sure and check out Earthy Modern Beach House on Instagram. Go tell them Holly says hi. And if you guys are wanting to stay right in town next to tons of beaches and amazing restaurants, this is the place. They rent out by the room, they rent out entire houses, they are family friendly. Okay, enough talking. I've got some beach time to go enjoy. I will see you guys later. Love you guys. Peace.